But I'll just make sure you guys get started first, and then you putt down to the road in first gear, and then just wait at the road, and then I'll head across the road. You can follow me over there, and we'll start from there for some of the bit of practice. Nice. I'll make you. Right, so how's all that feel? Nice. How did that feel riding through there with the? We'll head up this track. It goes for about just over 6 kilometres. At first, for maybe the first kilometre or so, I'll go first, and then I'll find a safe spot where I can pull over. You guys just carry on, and I'll ride behind you just so I can see if I can pick up any things that I can maybe help with. Send it a little bit, just have whatever fun you want. If you want to hook in a little bit just to get the blood pumping, and I'll meet you back out on the road. So this is the first crossing. It's very, very easy. We'll just stop here and have a quick chat. Obviously this is only like 3 inches deep, so it's like pretty easy, a lot of these water crossings. But some of the ones further up do get a little bit deeper. They might sort of come up to where maybe not quite full wheel depth, but close to on the deepest one. When you're going through it, you really want to keep your eyes virtually out the other side of the water crossing, because if you start looking at the rocks in front of you, you'll focus on them and you'll hit them as well, and you'll bounce all over the place. Keeping your eyes up and out should keep the bike a bit more balanced. We'll just go through one at a time, because that way if somebody drops the bike in the middle, even though they can be restarted, we want to minimize the amount of time that they're under the water. So just make sure that you turn the key off straight away, and then the other people will just come over and help pick it up if it is dropped under the water. Yep. And get it out as fast as we can. Cool. A lot of it is super slippery. You can even see some of the moss in there growing on some of the rocks, so it makes it, even though the rocks here are exactly the same, in there you might get bounced around, where here it'll be sweet. Especially in some of the ones further up where the rocks are a little bit bigger. But other than that, bit of momentum, first gear, just stay in first gear all the time, keep the momentum up and have fun. Alrighty, good to go. Nice, bit of momentum, eyes up, perfect, easy. sense it. Like this one here that we're about to go through are concrete bases, and they are ridiculously slippery. Some of them are, some of them aren't. If they've cleaned them up, they're not too bad, but you can just want to try and keep a straight line and just idle through. You really don't want to be using that throttle too much, because you will slide out. There it is. Yeah, she's quite slippery.
Yep.
You're alright?
Yeah.
Sweet. At least it made it to the other side.
Yep. Sorry.
That's all good.
Sorry.
I think I may even have it on camera. Yeah, that's alright. Just catch your breath a little bit there.
Yep. Oh, bud.
Oh, yeah, even just like standing in that squat. Then yeah, just try to take off quite slowly up. Nice. This one, yeah. Nice, yeah. So yeah, if you sort of just stop about up where I am at the moment, because if you around to the right is actually a little bit shallower. Through the left over there it goes off a bit of a drop and it's quite deep. So we'll stick to the right hand side of it. Nice, maybe a little more speed. This is quite nice. The little yellow submarine. Because as you go around the switchback just ahead, I'll be able to... Right. Thank you. Excuse me. Yep. When the corners are a little bit slipperier, so yeah, if you want to go first, and then I'll follow you, and then if you go second, Steve, then I'll film you for a little bit, then I'll come past you and try to catch up with you. Nice. And then yeah, I'll just let you know when I'm going to come past you. for some reason to stop tanks coming through here.
Yeah.
It was part of the line that went across the retreat line or whatever it was back during the war.
A lot of people don't realise how close it actually came to get invaded.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't seem to teach that in schools anymore. Yeah, like, I mean, we just have a look at this, but we might stop down by the water if you would
Yeah, sure.
I'll leave your gear on for a moment. Not really, it's sort of the wrong time of the day to get shade anywhere. Oh, good job, gentlemen.
Thank you.